All right, guys. So yesterday was beautiful for me and my team. We were catching spikes on the crash 500 market using this particular strategy that I'm about to share with you guys in this video. All right, I'll show you guys every single step that you need to take to catch as much spikes that we caught yesterday. This was the signal, my VIP group, and this is how it turned out. It was just immediately we entered that we got the first spike, and then continue like that, and we were able to catch a lot of money out of the market. You can see how many spikes that are there. You can see multiple spikes that we were able to catch. All right, it's crazy. We actually hit our target yesterday, and I trust every other person can do this, right? Every other person can do this because it is easy, guys. It is really easy to achieve this, especially when you follow the setups, the instructions that I'll be sharing in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end and follow every single instruction, and you will be good. All right, now I'm not only going to show you guys how to catch spikes using this strategy, I'm also going to show you I've actually shown you guys how to scalp using the same setup, but I did a little tweak to it, and it made even more sense. You understand that confluences is not something that you overlook as far as trading is concerned. Confluences is not to be overemphasized as far as trading is concerned. So the more confluences, the more the stronger your bias, the stronger your analysis, of course. So I'm going to show you the little tweak that I did. I just added one more indicator to the ones we have on the indicator window, which gave an even more solid confirmation, right? So I'm going to add it, but for now let me just show you guys how I was able to catch spikes on the crash 500 market. Of course, we also traded the boom 1000 market, and we were scalping. We are just catching some candle ticks. I think yes, this is it. This was the signal, and this is how it went. You can see we're able to do a lot from this market. So this is the same strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. So make sure that you watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this platform, kindly subscribe. It's very important that you do that for me, so we all grow together. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post any other updates, you will be first to see. It will come to you firsthand, of course. So without wasting much of our time, this video isn't supposed to be too long. Let's just go straight to adding the indicator setups. Right now, we are going to have the relative strength index on our indicator window. Period of 40 apply to close, levels 85.15, and then of course when you go to the levels 85.15, you can just change the color to suit the background of your chart. Make sure it pops, make sure it's visible on the background of your chart, and then click done. And then when you come here, make sure to maintain the same color as the background of your chart on this other interface, and then click done. All right, the next indicator we'll be having is Ichimoku. Right, Ichimoku will have the following parameters: take hands and 7, Kijuns and 2, whatever that is, 62. Please, if that's your language, I don't want to spoil it. So just follow the setup, right? Just follow the properties here, and then only change the first 3 when you come to styling. Yeah, when you come to visualization, the style, change the first 3 and leave the the last 2 options to the same color as the background of your chart. So only change the color on the first 3 options, right? And then leave the remaining 2 to use the same as the background of your chart. All right, you can use the same colors as I'm using so that you will be clear when I'm explaining. Now, I said I added an extra indicator to strengthen this strategy more, and that is an that is the moving average indicator. It should be on our main window, and you're not going to change anything. Just use period 14, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. All right, levels is not needed, so don't add that. And then you change your style and make the color to pop on your screen, right? Make sure it is a color that will be visible on your chart, and then you click down when you're done with that, and you have the moving average on our main charts, right? All our indicators are set. We have the moving average right there, and we have the others here. All right, all the setup, all the indicators are set and the setup is ready. So I'm just going to go ahead to explain how you catch spikes using this strategy, and I'm going to also show you how I've already, for those of you who are always glued to my channel, you should already know that you've seen this strategy without the tweak. So I'm going to just explain it again, considering that I've added another indicator to it. So I'm just going to explain it again so that you will be able to apply the new indicator setup, the new setup that we've added, so that it will make your setup, your analysis, of course, to make it even better. All right, so let's go straight to understanding how this works. Now you need to look out for something on the higher time frame, please. This is for crash 500 market, right? You want to see that on the higher time frame that there is a crossing of price below the moving average. Okay, do this on the 15 minutes time frame, possibly, or even on the 30 minutes. You can do it still on a 1 hour time frame, but I like you to bring it to just bring it down to 15 minutes so that it will be a little closer to where you are taking the trade, because you'll be trading from the 1 minute time frame at the end of the day. So if you see a crossing of the moving average on the 15 minutes time frame, make sure it crosses like this. Price is below the moving average time the moving average indicator, of course, and then ensure to see a closing of a bearish candlestick. Okay, that's very important. Ensure to see a closing of a bearish candlestick. You see here, price breaks cross below the indicator and then closes bearish around that area. Okay, so anybody who would have taken it to sell here would be in profit. And then, having met that condition, it's important that you also go to the indicator window and see that the indicators are all up at the region 85 of the indicator window of the RSI. Okay, see, make sure that they are up here and they are already pointing downwards from there. They're already pointing downwards from there, right? And then whatever happens next, you're going to see for yourself. You're going to be catching spikes. Now, also ensure that you see a clear trend. Now, the purpose of adding the moving average to the chart is to help those of you who can't really read your trend using the candlestick patterns. All right, that is for you guys. The indicator on the main chart is for you to be able to tell the trend of the market, right? For you to be able to tell the trend of the market. So for those of you who can't use candlestick patterns to identify the market trend, market direction, market condition, right? Market structure, whatever you want to call it. For those of you who can do that, you just make sure you do what I just explained on the moving average. Ensure that you see that the moving average is above the price region. Okay, ensure to see that the moving average is always above the price region. Now, if you can identify your trend using your naked eyes, right, without these indicators, right, you can just look at the candlesticks and be able to tell the direction of the market. Probably you'd understand how to spot your highs and lows, your swing highs and swing lows, lower highs and lower lows, high highs and higher lows, and all of that. Ensure to see proper lower highs and lower lows, right? lower highs and lower lows. Ensure to see proper lower highs and lower lows, and then wait for price to hit the high, right? Wait for a swing high. Actually, wait for a swing high, and when price is at a swing high, just like what happened here, you can see when price has come back to a swing high, this is actually price coming back all the way from here to a swing high. That's when you look out for a break of the moving average indicator, right? Now when price goes below your moving average and closes bearish below your moving average, that is the clear signal for a sell, right? Especially having spotted that the market is in a downward trend. That means you've seen series of lower highs and lower lows, right? That is a clear signal that the market is going to be selling downwards, right? Now crash 500 is very respectful when it comes to following trend, right? In my experience, crash 500 will always respect the trend, so ensure that you follow the trend. Okay, ensure that you follow the trend. And then, having seen this on the 15 minutes time frame, now switch to the 1 minute time frame and see that the same thing is going on in the 1 minute time frame. You can see clearly whenever what I just explained happens, you can see. Let me take this out, please. You can see when there's a crossing of the moving average below, you can see what follows are just spikes upon spikes, and they don't go back up, they just keep going down, right? Even when it spiked up a bit, sorry, even when it pushed up a bit, they just keep going down like that, just like that. All right, so this is very powerful, guys. This is very powerful. Ensure to follow it the way I just explained it, and you will be good. You will be good. Okay, ensure to follow it the way I just explained it, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section, or you can reach out to me. My WhatsApp number will be in the description box of this video. All right, you can also join our free Telegram group. Guys, this is the right time for you to, if you want to be a part of our VIP group, this is the right moment. Just make sure you rush into the free Telegram group right now and take advantage of the promotions that is going on. It's limited, it's a very limited offer. Take advantage of it and join us. Now I want to see as many of you guys with me at the top. Join, and it is very special, guys. Make sure you run into that place right now and secure your spot. All right. And also, for people who want to join my mentorship, a lot of you have been asking me for special offers and all of that. Now is the time for you to take advantage. Rush in, guys, rush in, because I'll take it back to the normal price, and I know you know what that means. So the next I was going to show you guys how we did it for Boom 1000. Now you're going to do exactly the opposite of what you're doing for the crash 500, right? You're trying to catch just some candlesticks on the Boom 1000 market. You're not catching spikes this time around. You're just catching some candlesticks, right? You can see that the same thing I just explained is playing out, but this time around you're selling, you're not buying. Okay, you're selling, you're not buying, right? So all you have to do is just wait for price to come to wait for your indicator, your Ichimoku, to come to this region, level 85 of the RSI, and then start pointing down, and also wait to see a crossing of the moving average below, crossing of price below the moving average, and make sure that your price is below moving average. Make sure it is obvious that price is below the moving average. The moving average signals the trend of the market, right? The moving average helps you to tell the trend. Ichimoku also helps you to tell the trend, while the RSI is more of an oscillator. It helps you know where there is going to be either buying pressure or selling pressure in the market. Okay, so for the boom market, we are trying to be selling, so we are looking for where we will find more of selling pressure. That's why I said that whenever you see that price has come to, sorry, the moving average Ichimoku have come to, if you see the Ichimoku around level 85, that means that's gotten to that area where there is likely to be selling pressure in the market. Okay, so you can see, but ensure to see a crossing of the this is for you to follow this simple hack that I just added, this simple tweak that I just added, right? Ensure to see that there's a crossing of the moving average to be on the safer side. Now notice that if you had taken a trade, just immediately price hit the Ichimoku, hit the 85 level of the RSI, you see, just immediately it had started selling. That means the other setup is still powerful on its own. Now imagine combining it with this other guy. Confluences is never to be overemphasized, cannot be overemphasized, of course. So you can see, taking a trade just after the crossing of that moving average, you can see how far you can go before a spike. You can see how far you can go before a spike. So do this, and of course practice it on your demo account. Is very important. Practice and make sure you have a clear understanding of how it works before you get to apply it to your real account, guys. If you have any questions, you need clarity, you should reach out and I'll be able to explain more on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number will be in the description box of this video. Guys, hurry right now, go join my free Telegram group. Join right now, you don't want to miss it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.